Hey, welcome back guys to another episode of Getting Baked with Kyle's. Today we're going to be making double chocolate chip Ghirardelli brownies.
For this recipe, you'll be needing eggs, vegetable oil, brownie mix, and water.
Alright, first we need to cut the bag. And then pour the ingredients in. Oops, actually cut myself.
Alright, for the next step, we're gonna add a third of a cup of oil.
For the next step, we're gonna need to add some eggs. I think we're gonna need more eggs.
Alright, for this next step, since we're out of water, we're gonna have to be using 2 shots of vodka here.
Alright, for a little Asian flair, you can add fish sauce and soy sauce. For a little kick, you can add sriracha as well. Oh!
Alright, next up we're gonna be mixing our solids into our liquids. Alright, and we gotta whisk it all together.
Alright, next we will be baking at 325 degrees for 40 minutes.
Alright, and after 40 minutes we're gonna have this beautiful creation.
Thank you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video as much as we did. It was a lot of fun. Thank you Big for the amazing task, and are you ready to chow down on some brownies?
Oh yeah.
Alright, let's try it. We added salt on top too. Hits different for sure.
Definitely.
So, the Asian flair.
Oh yeah.
We got milk with us too. It's actually a crime to eat it without milk.
Thanks again.
Yeah, thank you so much. Two shots of vodka. Welcome back guys. Welcome to